Good morning. Let's start with English 1 from the grammar book, the very first chapter, the sentence for the first term. Let's start with this. So, dear students, please be ready with your books along with your notebooks so that along with that, when you learn, you will write. So, this is your first chapter, the sentence. So, let's start. Although you are very familiar with this sentence because we have already done in our junior classes, but you are going to learn more in this. So let's start. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. To understand, let's see and start writing along with me, okay? See, but I'm going to write few words. I'm going to ask you also a few questions. Is flying. Kite the boy is flying. Do you think is it a sentence? Of course, I hope you understood this is not a sentence because a group of words which makes complete sense is only a sentence. So for making out a sentence from these words, let's start doing it. See, the first alphabet will be capital of any sentence. The boy is flying a kite. Full stop. So this is a sentence. So let's start writing the definition of sentence here. You can even use the colorful pens. This way you're going to make your notebooks more colorful, the way usually I used to tell you better. So definition, start writing. A group of words, along with me, start writing. A group of words which makes complete sense. Is called a sentence. Now, see further we are going to learn about kinds of sentences. Sentences can be classified into different types mainly on two bases. First is on the basis of function and the other one is on the basis of structure. On the basis of function, the sentences can be classified into four various types. So let's learn something about that first. Start drawing the layout diagram so that this is going to be easy for you to understand. Sentence. So here we are going to make a cloud like this. You can use even the different pens. The very first type of a sentence that could be classified, on the basis of the function is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is a sentence that makes a statement and it ends with a full stop. Assertive sentence is a sentence that makes a statement. Along with this, better come to your book, underline the definition here. A sentence that makes a statement is known as assertive sentence. And for the examples, you can write any of the example as if I want to say my class is very good, my class is obedient, or my mother is a very kind woman. So you can write any of the simple sentence, that is assertive sentence only. Now the second type is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks a direct question and it ends with a question mark. This is very easy to understand. Like simply if you're asking any question like what is your name, where do you live, what are you doing now, you can say that I'm learning in different way. This is going to be the best way if you're going to do it very honestly, okay? So start doing that. So the third type here is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, a sentence that expresses order, it could be request, wish, then advice. This also ends in a full stop. Okay, along with this, come to the book. Here, keep underlining the definitions given in your book. A sentence that asks a direct question is known as interrogative sentence. But I prefer if you write your own sentences for examples. Don't copy it from the book, write your own, because now you understood. Now the next one, imperative sentence we have done. A sentence that expresses an order, request, entreaty. Underline this word. This means wish, advice. It could be a suggestion. So you can write any of the sentence of your own. Imperative sentences like for request, please give me a glass of water. Order could be get out of the room. Advice from the doctors, like the doctor advised us to stay home and be safe. You can write any of the sentence of your own. Now the fourth type is exclamatory. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence is a sentence that expresses strong and sudden feelings. Strong and sudden feelings. Such as surprise, happiness, admiration, pity, sorrow, etc. Here also you can make your own sentences like, oh, what a tall building it is, or bravo, we won the match, or some more sentences you can make by your own. Here also, come to your book. Let's underline the definition given over there. A sentence that expresses sudden and strong feelings such as admiration, pity, happiness, sorrow, surprise. All these comes under exclamatory sentence. So this was better the sentence, which is like you can classify into 4 types on the basis of their function. So when you're going to learn this, you frame the question like this: define a sentence, name its 4 kinds, and give 2 examples of each. Thank you. God bless you.